What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today I'm about to talk about a few additions to my VRF14 by Rock Island. All right, right here, this is where we're gonna start. This is Cane Arms mil spec brace. This is the minimalistic brace by Cane Arms, where if you just have your buffer tube, you can just slide it onto the end of your buffer tube and boom, you're braced out. All right, it works real good. It has a bolt right here that you can take out, put your arm in there, and it'll brace up against it. Works very, very good. I do recommend it. I do like it, and it actually looks pretty awesome. All right, and also from Cane Arms, we have the magazine base plate for the Rock Island VR series and other magazines that basically use this style. It works on those. So this is the base plate for it, and also by Cane Arms, of course, 12 gauge base plate. I would definitely recommend that as well. And I also recommend you go back and look at the video where I showed you how I painted this weapon. I painted this myself. It was not hard, and it is on there. You don't have to worry about paint coming off on your hand or anything like that. I used the camouflage paint, and it is working very well. So those are a couple of things I wanted to show you on this VRF14. And yes, this VRF14 does have a folder on it. There you go. Let's get a closer look at that. Yes, it does have a folder on it. And yeah, it was hard to find the folder to put on it, but it does have a folder on it. Works great. So definitely go check out Cane Arms. Check them out, Cane Arms. I definitely recommend them. Cane Arms. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, notifications, and Johnny Snow up out of here.